Okay, we just filmed a short about how to get a stuck tape out of a dead camcorder. That's a CCD F201 Sony from 1991. MSR price was like $1,000 back then. It's completely dead, and we activated the little motor to get the transport to move and get the tape out. And when the tape came out, it didn't thread all the way back in, which isn't really a huge problem. This is a videotape tape. I just wanted to show you the little 3D printed tape tools we have. These aren't for sale yet. Let me know if you're interested. We can print some. We have different sizes: VHS, mini DV, video 8. And this essentially has a little thing to keep the lid open for you when you're splicing tapes. Fits on here nicely. Has a little winding tool too. You can see that stores in here. Not using it, you can leave it in there, but you can take it out, put it in here, wind the tape back in, and look at that. Tape is back at the beginning. Now, this 3D printed holder also has a thing to engage the clutch, so you can wind tapes like this. You can take them back to the beginning like this, and you're good to go. Now the tape's all back in there. It's at the beginning. You can see the little leader there, clear leader. Pop it out, and there you have it. We're back in business. Now we can transfer this tape to MP4 files. She's also getting a set of DVDs kind of as backup, so she'll be all set. So ddvf.com.